Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today's video is on the top 5 best suction pool cleaner. After hours of researching, we have selected these 5 best suction pool cleaner and ranked them based on a few criteria like quality, price, durability, and more. If you want to see more information and updated prices, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure to subscribe for more reviews like this. So without any delay, let's get started with the video. Number 1. Zodiac Baracuda G3 Kit. The G3 is our clear favorite as the best suction side pool cleaner because it quickly vacuums up small and medium debris while cleaning the pool's floor, walls, and steps. The Zodiac Baracuda model features long-life hoses that are durable, wear-resistant, and suitable for all pool surfaces, as well as a flow keeper TM valve. This compact, self-adjusting flow control valve regulates water flow and ensures ideal performance with low-speed pumps. There are no gears, wheels, or clappers, making operation simple, quiet, and low maintenance. The G3 pool cleaner is ready to clean your pool in just 3 steps. Connect the disc, baffle wheel, and hose to the specialized skimmer suction line. No special equipment or pipes are required. The 36-fin disc ensures maximum adhesion on all pool surfaces and eliminates burrs on lights, drain covers, and installations. The deflector wheel allows for greater maneuverability when cleaning tight corners. In addition, the patented quick-release cassette technology allows for easy maintenance access to the diaphragm. This is not just a good side pool cleaner, it is also the best overall suction pool cleaner on this list. Number 2. The Intex Automatic Pool Cleaner. The Intex model is a cleaner and vacuum head pool robot. It guarantees flawless cleaning quality with each use. The device automatically cleans your pool without requiring you to exert significant effort. During cleaning, the device automatically reverses its direction as needed to ensure that no part or area of the pool's bottom escapes its reach. The filtration rate of the device ranges between 4.54 and 13.25 m³H. This speed is considerably faster than the majority of comparable devices. The robot's primary material is a highly durable plastic that guarantees the device's longevity. This robotic cleaner is not powered by electricity, but it cleans effectively due to the Venturi effect. This prevents your electricity bill from increasing after each use. The Intex model comes with a hose measuring 24.7 feet in length. It can be articulated to facilitate a variety of uses. This ensures the rapidity of filtration. Due to its cleaning system, this model is exclusively suitable for above-ground pools. This model, which is available to the general public at a reasonable price, is undoubtedly the best suction pool cleaner on the market. A great feature of this Intex pool cleaner robot is its Venturi effect, which enables automatic suctioning of the pool's bottom. The hose facilitates attachment to the pool's nozzles. Number 3. Vingli Automatic Pool Cleaner. The Vingli hydraulic pool cleaner is designed for in-ground swimming pools. It is intended for pools no larger than 12 by 6 meters. It operates with a minimum of 3 by 4 horsepower pump power. It adapts to any pool floor material, whether it be PVC, polyester, concrete, or tile. Additionally, it can operate on both flat surfaces and smooth or steep slopes. Additionally, it can move on both the floors and walls of the pool. Therefore, it ensures a thorough cleaning. In a couple of hours, it will thoroughly clean a 7 by 4 meter swimming pool. Due to a superior filter, it is able to cover the entire pool from the bottom to the waterline, collecting all types of debris, sand, air, and dirt without a specific path. It is very user-friendly. You will be able to comprehend the manual's instructions within 5 minutes. Simply set it up and press the power button, and you can leave without concern. It can flawlessly scale walls, navigate curved or straight corners, and even scale construction stairs. It is the flagship model of Vingli, a rising company in the pool maintenance industry, and one of the most impressive side auction pool cleaners we've seen. Number 4. XtremepowerUS Automatic Suction Vacuum. If you want a simpler pool cleaner, the XtremepowerUS Automatic Suction Vacuum meets your needs perfectly. It is an effective but straightforward model in its category. It has a diaphragm that requires less suction, so it creates much less wear on the filter and pump, reducing the frequency with which they must be replaced. The automatic cleaner has 10 hoses for pools up to 30 feet in length. You can adjust the length of the hoses to suit your needs. This automatic vacuum cleaner requires a pool pump with a minimum capacity of 1600 GHP for proper operation. As a downside, it cannot climb walls, but if you do not require more complex electric robots, it is a very good option at a very reasonable price. In addition to the cleaner and the hoses, the product comes with a regulator valve and an instruction manual. Number 5. Zodiac MX6. We proceed with a model that employs cyclonic suction. It can clean walls with rigid or vinyl linings as well as walls with smooth or steep slopes. Due to its hydraulic nature, it is fully connected to the pool's filtration network. Similar to the V8 model, the V6 is one of the most popular vehicles in its class on the market. A motorized system of Caterpillar-type wheels enables it to clean the bottom, walls, and water lines of rigid pools measuring up to 12 by 8 meters. Thanks to rubber propeller-shaped turbines that remove the entire pool bottom and send dirt to the filter. A purifier with a 3x4 HP motor can clean the pool up to the waterline. It is also extremely lightweight, compact, and user-friendly, as all you need to do to activate it is connect it to the suction port. It comes with a 12-meter rubber, which is sufficient for any villa pool. It is constructed with a low-flow design that consumes little energy. This makes it ideal for pools with variable or dual-speed pumps. When cleaning, it stores any residue in its skimmer basket and requires a horsepower of 3/4. The pool should not be utilized while the MX6 is in operation. It has a 1-year warranty and weighs only 17.45 pounds. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed it. If so, please like and share the video. And also make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions at all. Hope to see you guys in the next video. See you later, guys.